Alright, let's take a quick look at what I got done today. I got this section, which is probably... Hey guys, Kapper here. It's Saturday, beautiful Saturday. I think it's like the 17th or 18th of April. And I got the tiller on. So let's go till up some future soybean and corn plots here on our home farm here in Illinois. Let's have a little fun and fresh air. Right, I have to get this skid steer mower out of the way, and I don't have the skid steer here, but I got an idea that should work. Make it a little easier than trying to take that bucket off. And let the battle continue. Alright, we got the tiller hooked up. Got to lube it up quick, and we should be ready to roll. Okay, after probably about an hour or more of fighting with this thing, I finally got it ready to go. I had to clean the tines out. That was the easy part, but just fighting with the U-joints, getting them lubed up, getting this thing back on, getting everything greased up. Just the usual tractor battle. So now we are ready to hit the field and hopefully till up some ground. A little DO action on there.
Oh, Mr. Kapper's got me some freshly tilled farm fields. Gonna take my metal detector out. Probably won't find much more than equipment parts, but you never know. Beautiful spring day to be out here.
So this year my plan is, instead of doing the no-till, my buddy Phil rehabbed a 12-foot planter, which gets the job done pretty quick. I'm going to till it all up this year and just go ahead and put nice pretty rows in the ground of corn and beans and see how it goes this time. We'll see what Mother Nature's going to do.
Microphone recorder. I'm just waiting on the lapel mic, so hopefully I'll start getting a lot better audio. It's scheduled to come though another week or two yet. I don't know what's taking it so long. It feels good to get out and till up some plots, man. I'm gonna go big this year again. I bought I think 20 bags of beans, plus I got leftover corn. And I'm going to till it all instead of no-tilling. See if I can get a break from Mother Nature this year or not. So this spot here, this was all washed out. You could still kind of see the ditch right in the middle. It's one way you could kind of fix washouts with a tiller. Get them down a level and then plant something in there. You know, or regrade them, put some rock in there or something, but I'm running this tiller just to try and knock out this washout on the edge here. Alright, let's take a quick look at what I got done today. I got this section, which is probably between 1.5 acres and 2 acres, and then this strip right here at the top, I got that done. It's probably a 1/2 acre strip, maybe 3/4 of an acre. So when I continue in the next few days, I'm going to work on these plots down here by the big power line. Basically everything that's green is going to get tilled up and planted. The stuff that's all brown, that's all the warm season grass plus trees mixed in. So all of the green stuff, like where them crop circles are, that's all going to get planted. So looking forward to getting some more tilling done. Got lots of acres to go yet. Lots to go. I do have a plot right down in here, but I don't remember if I planted clover in this green plot or not. So if there's no clover in it, I'm going to till up this green plot here and plant it too. The brown here, that's natural regen, and I put loblollies in there also, since that's at the border of the property. And then this triangle of brown right here, that's also ours. That's natural regen. And then I got to till up this new plot over here. That's the new addition there, the brown on the right. I know I got some clover. Half of this green is clover. So we'll plant the other half in soybeans or corn. So a beautiful day to be outside.
Although I hear now we're talking about rain tomorrow, so we'll see. Me and Phil are going to try and finish that project over at that other farm we're working at. So stay tuned. I look forward to keeping things going and getting some work done.